If you want to edit a slow motion video on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, once you go to the Photos app, you can of course open your slow motion video and you are probably gonna play it automatically. But if you tap on the screen, you should be able to open the details, including two timelines. We have the main playback timeline and also the slow motion effect timeline. So if you want to adjust the slow motion effect, we can move left and right over here in order to adjust the range. So if you see these dots with bigger spaces in between them, that are separated with the bigger spaces, this is the slow motion effect. So you can adjust where the effect should be applied. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Of course, if you want to make some additional customization, if you want to edit your video further, then you can tap on edit at the bottom of the screen in order to find all available options in here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.